You are welcome. If you are watching the particular video, you know that I'm actually talking about this particular token airdrop that I've actually shared, that we are on our route to around $70 to around $100 in this particular month of September. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how to be able to do your KYC, your liveness check, which is as easy as possible. But before we go down, I noticed something now which I would like to share with you. You could see now that my mining has stopped. I believe that maybe because I've not actually done my KYC, my liveness check, maybe because of it, and you could see my claim is not working. So let's quickly do it. I'm going to let 20 WDD that have actually, out of a lot of people in my community that have actually registered using my link. Sorry about that. About a lot of people that have actually, all this fraudster. So about a lot of people that have actually used my link, only 2 people have actually done their KYC, their liveness check. That's why you could see I was able to get particular tweaking. So without anybody completing their KYC that I'm about to share with you, despite using your link, you won't be able to get the WDD. So let's go. You can either tap here or tap this wallet section. So let me use this one. If you know you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Click on the bell notification so I get notified anytime we upload any other new video. I want to join my community for latest update about anything happening in the crypto world. I'll be dropping my community WhatsApp link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So let's continue. So let's tap on wallet here. Yes, you could see now that we still have 20 here. I'm not withdrawing now because it's still worth nothing, because we are on a road to $70 or $100 before the end of this month. So I think we have to do this me ID and this particular one, that submit ID. So let's start with this me ID first. So let's tap on it. So let's allow it to load. You could see it tells us that this has to do with KYC service. So let's tap on continue. Then the next thing, you have to read this instruction very well. So you check mark that. So you check mark it, then you tap on start verification. So you say we are going to liveness check. So that is what we want to do, so that they can capture our face. So we tap on verify now. So currently you can see it say checking uniqueness of face print. It say please do not close or leave this app. So let us wait. So you can see now it was a success. It say authorization. It say authorization or success. You can continue your journey on this class. So one thing I noticed is that when you are doing it, you just have to make sure that your eyeballs are wide open, no smiling, and make sure you draw your camera face to your face. So let's tap on continue. Let's tap on continue. So I think I have to quickly fill this particular information and I will continue. You see what I was actually saying, that it could be that because I haven't done my face verification, that was why my mind wasn't actually working. You can see now that immediately I did my verification, the mining has actually started working. So let me just tap on claim. Let me tap on claim. You see, they say you are about to claim 0.00 WDD. This will be added to your wallet. So let's tap on this claim button, confirm button. Let's see it. You could see it has actually increased. So let's look at the next one. So something I noticed there, let's tap on this wallet. You could see now that in my account now I have what we call account number invited by, and this is delete account. I'm not deleting account. So let me try and submit ID to experimental. Let me try this one. So I think let's leave this particular verification now on at this particular level, which is me ID number. So the next thing I'll be doing is how to actually withdraw this particular token once I've gotten more than enough. So I'll be sharing with us how to convert it to either Ethereum or USDT for those who actually mining with me. So if this is already, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so that I get notified when I upload any other video like this. Thank you and bye bye for now.